start with behavior of gases, or the same thing, gaseous state. The other way, the chapter name in many books, it will be given as either behavior of the gases or gaseous state. In this chapter, mainly what we discuss is, first of all, we start with the measurable properties of gases, measurable properties of gases. That means, in order to define a gas, what are the characteristic properties, what are the measurements that we should make. And then the behavior of gases is explained by certain gas laws. So, then we have to discuss about the gas laws. Then after these gas laws, certain regarding the behavior, in that diffusion of gases is something very important, diffusion of gases. Then we go for ideal and non-ideal gases, compressibility factor, and liquefaction of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases, deviation of gases from ideal behavior, deviation of gases from ideal behavior, van der Waals theory and equation, explanation. Then critical concept, critical phenomena of gases. Here diffusion of gases and applications also. So, this is a broad picture of the topics what we are going to discuss. Measurable properties of gases, gas laws means the different laws which explain the behavior of gases. Then one particular characteristic property of gases, that is diffusion and its application. Then kinetic molecular theory of gases, the theories that explain the theory that explains the behavior of gases. Then classification of gases to ideal and non-ideal. Then deviation of gases from ideal behavior. All gases will not behave ideally. So, certain gases will deviate from ideal behavior. There again we have a positive deviation from ideal behavior, negative deviation from ideal behavior, that all we should discuss. And again the theory that explains the behavior of deviation of gases from ideal behavior, that is van der Waals theory, equation and explanation, then critical phenomena. So, like this here we have different topics to study in this chapter of gaseous state.